Because this school is so stupid for some stupid subject, what can I do? I know, I'm going to flood in the school. Yeah, that will be funny. Okay, I need to get out of here before the flood is rising.
Wait, what was that noise? Maybe it's coming from the bathroom. I'll check it.
Oh my god, Stranger Glove, thank God you're okay. We heard about the news, but thankfully you are safe. Let's watch the news.
This Justin, in breaking news, the school has been flooded. All the school hallway, which had injured many students and teachers, they'll be hospitalized. And I wanted to report towards the police officer.
It appeared that a top hat man named Stranger Glove, he used the bathroom to make a flood in the school. And Katsuma, you need to pay $1,000 to fix the damages, or else your guardian will be in prison without the roll. You must pay it in 2 weeks.
And plus, Dr. Strangeglove, if you're watching this, you are expelled.
Okay, back to the commercial.
Oh. Dr. Strangelove, you got to be kidding me. We can't believe you just flooded the school. Now thanks to you, we need to pay $1,000 to fix the damages thanks to you. That's it, you're grounded forever. Go to your room right now.